Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to hide YouTube videos from your mobile device. So make sure you have YouTube Studio installed on your device. Now search for YouTube Studio and open it up. Now here you can see the videos. So if you upload your video accidentally and you made it to public and you don't know how to do it, how to hide it, just simply you can follow this video and just simply you can see your content. So let's suppose you by mistake you uploaded set this video to public, right, but you want to make it private. So simply you need to tap on your video and here you can see the edit icon, pencil icon. You need to tap on that and here you can see you'll be able to edit your video details and privacy. So here you can see public, right, on the third option. Tap on that and here you can see unlisted, private, or lots of things, but right now we want to hide it, right? So as we want to hide it, we simply need to set this to private, so only you choose can view. Like if you keep it private, it public won't be able to see your video. Okay, so simply tap on that and just go back and here you can see save button on the top right side. Just simply tap on save option and here you can see your video visibility is set to private. That means no one will be able to see your YouTube video. So in this way you can hide your YouTube video.